In this video, we will demonstrate how to modify the content displayed on your For You page on TikTok. If you encounter irrelevant or uninteresting content, follow these steps to reset your feed. Launch the TikTok application and navigate to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the Settings and Privacy option. Choose Content Preferences. Click on Refresh your For You feed. This action will essentially restart your For You page, resetting the algorithm and presenting you with a selection of popular videos that TikTok believes you might enjoy. After resetting your For You page, you can personalize the videos by interacting with them. TikTok will observe your preferences, such as the videos you like and comment on, and adapt the content accordingly. The more you engage with videos, the better the algorithm will become at understanding your interests and tailoring the content to your liking.